Every second day of my life unto Nani mahuman ka og anso.
Oh, I remember that.
I remember that too.
Oh, that's pretty. Skip that.
Maryann is willing to give you
It used to be
everything
in the
that she doesn't
bathroom.
want and she doesn't want in her house.
Good morning, Philippines!
Is that a stage? Huh? Is that a stage? That's not a stage. Go down. 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 It's early in the morning. You guys are pinning the neck already. Go down. Down. We don't have a contest here. Who's a good dancer? Early in the morning, get off on the laptop. Get off in the laptop. Early in the morning. That's why your eyes is hurting, sir. Good morning, everything. Kumakain ako, guys, early kasi it's already 6:17. Alis kami maaga, guys. Alis kami, we have to leave here at 8. So, it's 1 hour to go. 1.5 hour, honey. Kailangan naming magpunta doon early. Dahil yung realtor is 11. Kumain ako ng rice. Naisip ko, I have to eat rice. Kasi, mamaya, magutom tayo. And may realtor doon. So, yun. Magdala na lang din ako ng candy. Dalawang pupunta doon. Iba-iba oras. Nag-snow konti. Iwan ko itong weather talaga pa iba-iba. Misty! Rice at saka corned beef yung kinain natin. Do you wanna go this way? You wanna go pay? Okay, I'll give you something in your food. So, ngayong umaga, tapos naligo ako kahapon. No, hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon kasi I don't feel like vlogging yesterday. So, naligo ako. What time did I shower? 4 something o'clock. Para today, hindi na ako mag-andugaga-andugigi. Nag-snow na naman. Taloka talaga. Mag-ulan mamaya, guys. Malakas yung ulan. Nahilis na nga yung snow kahapon kasi sobrang ganda ng temperature. Nag-snow na naman. Bumangon ako mga 8. Bumangon ako mga 4 o'clock. Kasi kailangan kong bumangon ng 4. And, yan. Ayusin ko lang tong blanket. Hindi ko na ilagay dito yung yung blanket lang yung ayusin ko dito. Ando na si Tami sa shower. Nag-eyebrow. Naglagay lang ako ng eyebrow. And ngayon, mataas na yung kuko ko. Hello, ay may ginawa pala si Tami dito sa niya. Kanina pa to dito si Tami. Maaga. Sa laptop niya. May dinownload kasi siya. Kasi yung yung extra work niya. Kasi taas na pala yung kuko ko. Kailangan ko nang ikat yung kuko ko. And then si Tami palagi yung may ganito. Look. Lahat ng pang ng kuko andito na. Yes, Rox. We will leave you again. And I will tell Dada we're coming home early, okay? I know. We're gonna tell Dada that we're coming home early. That you guys won't starve. Because Dada said we'll probably leave late. But no, that's not gonna happen. My baby is important. Priority. Priority is the best policy, gid ba? Alam nyo, every time na may menstruation ako, naligo ako kagabi, diba? Ito yung ina-avoid ko, maligo. Kasi kapag maligo ako, mag-stop yung dugo. And ang gusto ko lang naman is yung dugo ko is patuloy siya ba normal, gano'n, lumalabas. So, ito yung na-observehan ko matagal na. Every time na maliligo ako, mag-stop siya, guys. Mag-slow down. And then, hindi na siya yung normal. Para na siyang, spotty, gano'n. Kaya nga, na lang ako, nag-wipes, yung mga wipes ba. Kasi, talaga siya, parang, ayaw ko talagang mag-menstruation and then ma-stop siya. So, hindi siya nakalabas lahat. So, yun. Yellow tayo dahil suga. Itong dalawang aso, may squirrel doon. Muntik na ni Roxy. Pero yung isa, Pumunta nga sa kahoy, pero andun, oh, look. Look, andyan pa rin. Akala niya, maabot man niya ni Misty ba, Roxy? Buti na. Yung isa, muntik na ano, muntik nang maabutan. At saka itong isa, hindi pumunta tala. Roxy! Oh my God, almost. Oh my God, almost. Squirrel is a baby. Oh my God, that was a baby. Oh my God, malapit na. Sooner or later talaga, itong dalawang aso magkaano man jud ba? Mapaakan man jud ba? Makagat man to ba? Ay, tignan niyo guys. Nag-melt na nga yung snow kahapon. The whole weekdays. Ngayon, bumalik na naman. Guys, God guys, yung pusa guys, kumain siya. Gustong pumasok. Oh my God. Yung pusa, guys. Inopen ko, andun siya. And then, inopen ko yung door kasi na-curious siya sa loob ng bahay. Inopen ko yung door kasi gusto kong makita kung tatakbo ba siya. Hindi siya tumakbo. So, andun siya, nakaano siya ganun. And then, oh, I opened the door and then na-curious siya kung ano sa loob. And then, inopen ko pa widely. And then gustong pumasok. Sabi ko, no! Si Dimples kasi muntik na ding lumabas. Kaloka talagang buhay na to. Kumain siya pero gustong pumasok yung pusa. Pero natakot ako kasi meron akong pusa dito. And then yung pusa na yun, hindi natin kilala. Baka may rabies or something, may ticks, ganun. So, buti na lang kumain din siya dun. Oh, kailangan ko palang magsapatos. With something already, always talaga late. 11 o'clock yung unang realtor. The second one is 1 o'clock. 2 hours in between lang. So, at saka mag-usap-usap pa yan. Mga tukatib pa naman tong mga side ng asawa ko. Mahirap. Matagal yung magka-undangan. Matagal magka-undangan. Nagkalibangan. Ganito yun talaga ang problema. So, ito yung problema palagi. Kapag aalis ako, yung tiyan ko magkasakit, ganon. Yan. Yun yung ano ko. Ang ginaw ng kalibot-bot. Dito sa likuran. Kaya yung sasakyan ko amoy sigarilyo. Are you ready to rumble? Ha? Kasi maginaw. Icy na naman tayo drive nito. Hirap ng buhay guys. You're driving and then you're so lonely. Your hubby won't talk to you. I don't know what to do with my life. What? Don't really know what to do. My heart must say so. What does it is so? My heart is falling into. And I don't know what to do. Every second day of my life unto Nani mahuman ka og anso. Inside me all the time. All the time. You avoid me. You're avoiding me. Tell me you're avoiding me. Hey.
Hey,
You're avoiding me.
I'm not avoiding you. You're like an inch away from me. And you're singing in my ear.
I'm gonna listen to music then. Hello guys. Malakas yung ulan dito. So ngayon, nagpapa-appointment sila. May bagyo pala. Magbaha yung basement. And then may tumitingin sa bahay. And then pumunta doon. Nagbaha yung basement. Taloga, ang lakas ng ulan. Yeah. This is it, sunset. At ito namang isa, busy sa cellphone. Always busy. Busy. Okay guys, we are almost here. Almost there. Yeah, mga drive, mga probably 2 minutes. Walk, 5 minutes. Traffic, there's a light. There's no traffic, it's just a light. No turn on red kasi guys, dito guys. Iwan ko. In this area, no turn on red. We're almost there. You don't hear anything in the camera? If your sister Rakats is there already, I cannot even go because this is gone.
They only leave it at 9, huh? It's only 9:30 now.
Huh?
9:40 now. They left. They were supposedly leaving at 9. Andrew said they're leaving at 9. That ain't probably gonna.
I like this house. Have stairs.
This one's going to a lot of stairs.
This one I like.
That's way up on the fucking hill.
This house is really nice. I really want to see the house. Like go over there. What is the address? I would they have probably online thing. You know, like the layout inside. Oh, don't forget your mask. You have to bring your mask. Shut the light off. Shut this off. Shut the car off. See you inside. Hi guys, we're here. So what happened? What did she say? So they said they stop on Dunkin' Donuts. They stop on Dunkin' Donuts, probably the donut that close to them.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 40 minutes.
10.
She's like, we're still in Dutchess.
11.
She said we left a little after 9.
Well, it's it's Angelo drive fast, and they will be here before 11, Han.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
So what? You don't have creamer here? You went to the store all the time and no creamer? Ay, ay, ay.
If I could run out the shop right.
You tell her already. Okay, guys. Nanigarilyo lang si Mister. So, yung isang kapatid papunta din dito. Hindi namin alam na papunta. Hindi namin alam na pupunta pala siya. So, yan. Punta siya dito. Tumawag. Yan. Sabi ko, hindi na tayo mag-makeup. Okay, nag-ano lang ako. Nag-eyebrow. Nag-konting lipstick. Para naman hindi masyadong halite. Vacuum ko lang dito, guys. Kasi may nahuhulog. Yung ceiling dito, nag-lelek. Umaagas yung tubig. Iwan ko sa shower yan ba. And nakalimutan ko yung asang yung plug dito. Praying guys na ano. Okay itong realtor na nakuha. Garbage yan. Ito, ilagay ito sa car. Mga basura naman ito. Ay. Ito yung mga sa movie. Ito yung sa movie guys na mga ilalagay sa wall para yung mga playing now, ganon. Itong movie na to, playing now, ganon time. Kinikip ni Tami. Yung mga na mga movie na mga sikat. Iwan ko kung bakit.
Well, even so, you know, even if it was a piece of the property, we went to New Rochelle, so if there's probably no...
Even thinking occasionally what happens is if there is a...
Years ago, and you just remember when we were kids.
May radio pala dito guys. Tignan mo. Look at this. It looks like a wine or something.
Scotch bottle.
Scotch bottle. Whiskey. But it's a radio. Look at this speaker right here. Do you want me to bring this to them? Oh, this is so pretty when it's clean. Here. Oh, they're doing something.
They're doing it. Don't be taking pictures of me, lady.
Pictures. This is not pictures. Hey, Thomas. I think this is dry already, I think. Okay, guys. Nabisi lang mga tao dito. Mukbang, McDonald's. Kanina pa sila, guys. Andun sila, doon sila sa kusina. Natatawa ako sa asawa ni kapatid ni Tami kasi nagmas kami kasi may tao, di ba? So natawa ako kasi sabi pa niya, puntahan niyo na kasi yung si Andrea. Kanina pa yan na ganun sa realtor. So kaya sabi pa ng asawa, puntahan niyo na. I-stop niyo kasi kanina pa yan. Anyway. So nag-ano lang ako dito kung anong dalhin. So yun, hindi ko alam kung ano na talagang oras ngayon. It's 2 o'clock na. Kaloko. So yan, ang gagawin ko is I'm going to carry this. Kunin ko lang yung yawe and then ilagay ko na dahan-dahan sa sasakyan yung mga dapat kong dalhin. I don't know what he's going to do with this.
Me too, obviously.
Huh?
I said me too, obviously. But
Your bedroom, right? You still have something there.
I got a ton of stuff in my bedroom. It's all gonna end up in the garbage. I'm just like, what can I do with it?
Then you have to.
Like, I'm looking at this stuff that I want to bring home, and I'm like, really, where am I gonna put it?
You're gonna bring the like what you really think is important.
I don't have room for the things that I really think are important. Like I said, I blame my parents. They led me to believe that everybody lived like this.
Yeah,
And even if not right away, but you got a house.
because when you get married, you buy a house.
Exactly. So, and you know, it doesn't happen right away, but everybody ends up with a house at some point.
Yeah,
I didn't know that that wasn't the case.
apartment or house, you know.
I didn't know that that wasn't the case. Oh, Maryann. I'm sorry.
Hello, there's a lot of bodol doll over there.
We found voodoo dolls from the airlines.
Huh?
We found voodoo dolls from the airlines.
Hala, really?
Well, I don't know.
Is that
But they're
real?
named after, like,
My mother and
Here's-
whoever, her
here's
buddies.
Mama. Isabel with her little airline suit.
Aww.
And look, these look
That's all
like
the
air
people.
pilots, and Paul, and Tom, and Jim, and Al, and there's an Ed somewhere.
Oh my god.
But don't they look like voodoo dolls?
Yeah, it looks like that.
Jamaican.
Oh, you should keep that is.
What am I gonna do with that? That's kind of freaky to me.
Oh my god, there's a lot of dolls.
Yeah.
Oh jeez, now how do you throw away none?
That's not funny.
Well, Tommy said you can't throw away anything religious, so I guess it's going
Guess you guys are taking it home.
It scared me.
That's why there's a lot of creepy in this house. Guys, did you see that?
Get to the
She
hospital.
got boobies, they're just misplaced boobies. Can I get rid of these?
This is a remembrance when digging the house.
Listen, don't get my ugly face on your video.
You know what? Can I tell you something? I like Andrea. Please talk to Andrea. I like Andrea. Just please put her in your vlog. I like her.
Yeah, well, let's see. Why does she like me? Let's see.
Because you are...
Throw everything out so that it
No,
doesn't get to
because you
your
said
house.
you're fun.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Want a Maryann?
What is that?
Scary.
Oh, no.
They look nice with your horns.
Oh, the one on top.
Oh, I remember that.
I remember that too.
Oh, that's pretty. Skip that.
Maryann is willing to give you
These used to be
everything
in the
that she doesn't
bathroom.
want and she doesn't want in her house.
Because I have a lot already.
These were from the bathroom up here.
Oh, that's pretty too. Look. No, that's ugly face.
Mine,
Hala,
like,
Thomas is
my
here.
husband's like taking stuff. Oh, we'll hold this for this one,
Yes.
that one. No, you don't. Tom,
Two
come
in the
here.
hospital visiting hours
Thomas, we
is
got
4
voodoo.
o'clock.
Oh,
Yeah, you want to see voodoo
we got
dolls?
voodoo dolls for you. Voodoo dolls. Grandma, come here.
Come and show him the voodoo doll.
It's kind of creepy, Thomas. You don't. You remember the gorilla? It wasn't really a gorilla. It was voodoo dolls.
It's a voodoo. Is that garbage too?
Well, I don't. She's porcelain, but. All right. What do we do with the nun?
It's empty. No, you bring it to your home.
No,
Please
ask,
do not.
ask your viewers.
Voodoo dolls.
Guys, you keep it here. Guys, what are you gonna do with the nun? It's a doll nun, okay? It's not a real nun.
Maybe we should. No, maybe I'll put.
We should put that here. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, there is a paint here, Andrea.
He said he doesn't want to take the voodoo dolls home. I don't think they're a good idea to burn them either.
Yeah, kind of. No, we found some creepy dolls here. Not necessarily the voodoo dolls.
Where are the clowns? Thomas loves clowns.
Oh, they're in here.
Andrea.
With clowns, some guys like.
That's really scary. It's really scary.
He's a
We're
guard.
leaving the nun.
He's a leaving the no.
You want to see the nun?
Come here. He's a guard. He's from London, I think.
Thomas. It's cute. Yeah, for the house owner.
Wait, isn't that a Geico commercial where they go upstairs and all those dolls are up there? In the
And guys, Andrea is planning to live this year. Put it
Well, I
every
don't know
inch.
what I'm gonna do with that. That's my mommy
Sounds a
stuff.
good idea.
So the marker must be in his driveway somewhere as well.